Lexus SC hardtop convertible in the house for an audio system upgrade. This vehicle comes with a Mark Leverson sound system, require Beat Sonic adapter to get it all working. Adding a BRIGH10N backup camera to the system. Job in progress. Moving the factory head unit. The mechanical parts will be retained with an aftermarket stereo and a dash kit. Check it out, bam! Everything works just like factory. Retain navigation, retain all factory functions.
Go volume.
For the steering wheel controls, volume up only will continue working, and it controls the Mark Leverson sound system. As the volume goes up, the volume doesn't go up on the stereo mark, but the audio do increase and decrease as you go up and down. The best backup camera on the market today, BRIGH10N camera with dynamic guidelines. Check it out, HD quality. Can't go wrong with it. You can find that camera on eBay or Amazon. Don't wait too long before they run out.